Yo, let's go fam. My name's Tommy and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy, sell, trade your collectible avatars from Reddit, transport them from your Reddit vault into OpenSea, set up a metamask wallet and potentially make a lot of money through your Reddit collectible avatars. So if you like this kind of content, then please like the button and it will turn blue. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download the Reddit app on your mobile phone if you do not have that already, because you can't buy the avatars in the desktop or on your laptop or any sort of device I've found. So then when you're in your mobile, you go into the Reddit app and it'll bring up your profile. Here's mine. So I bought the Penguin Pals and here he is. I thought it was so cute. And then you go on the style avatar and then Gen 3 is just dropping and there's a Nyan cat. So here is all the Gen 3s available on your mobile to buy, and you can buy them with a credit card. You don't need to buy them with cryptocurrencies. And it's telling you all the new, they're all from featured artists, what's hot and what's new and everything. And basically you can go through it and scroll down and then choose which one you want to like. So these ones are $9.99. And I was going to buy that dog, that chump. That's got a hot symbol, but it looks pretty cool. For $10. And then basically, yeah, just choose whichever ones you like and then buy them. And the great thing about them is you don't need crypto. You just need your credit card and US dollars or whatever funds you have in your bank account to buy them. And that's it. They'll come straight into your Reddit profile, into your vault. So then when you go into vault, here it is. My Penguin Pals. So I click on it and you can click on to make it your avatar or transfer it. So I'm going to show you how to transfer it on the desktop because I feel that is going to be an easier way than transferring it on your mobile. But you can transfer it on your mobile if you choose to. So here we are in the desktop version, but before you do transfer it, you're going to need to set up a MetaMask wallet or some other external wallet for you to transfer it to if you want to sell it in OpenSea. I suggest setting up a MetaMask wallet. It's quite simple and easy to do. So you'll click on the MetaMask link. There's a link in the description. Download it for your browser, whether you're using Brave or Firefox or whichever one you're using, Safari. And then you'll download it and then you'll have to go through a few steps to set up your wallet, save your private keys, write them down, save them somewhere very, very safe. You'll get 12 words that you need to write down. And that's basically your private key. You don't show that to anybody because if someone gets access to your private key, they basically get control of your wallet. And that's your digital wallet for MetaMask, and it can be linked to like Ethereum, Polygon, every different sorts of blockchains. So then back into Reddit, once you've set up your MetaMask wallet, what you will need to do is click on Style Avatar. Now, if you've just bought it, it does take a while to mint. So you'll go on you go on this one, and then you click on it and then you go on view details. So here it says details minted. Now, before it took me quite a while for it to get minted. It's minted on the Polygon blockchain. So I don't know why it was taking so long, but it took like a few hours for me to get it actually minted. So it was just like in queue to mint. That's what yours will say to start with. So as soon as it says minted, that's when you can click on the transfer. So then to transfer it, you'll need to put in your wallet address, which is your public key, not those 12-digit phrases that you've just written down. That will be your private key. You need your public key. All you'll do is go into the extensions tab, find your MetaMask wallet. If you've got a lot of wallets, it will be amongst them. If you're new to this, sorry, but this is just how it is. And then here it is, copy to clipboard. Then all this OXF2A, blah, 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 42B9, a long load of digits and numbers. That is your public key. So you copy it and then you'll paste it into here. And here it is. And then the vault password that you set up through Reddit, which you've hopefully written down as well or can remember, you'll type that in, blah, 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 blah. And then that's it, transfer, and it will go to OpenSea. Now, the brilliant thing is about OpenSea is here is where you can go and sell it. So the future realities, PR Guitar Man, X Reddit collectible avatars, Nyan cat, look at him, scampering through the metaverse, leaving a trail of rainbows, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Everyone knows the Nyan cat meme. So if you had bought this and you had got it for $45 through the mobile app, and on the 12th of April, they were selling at an average price of 0.155 Ethereum. So that is $325. So that's how you make money, by selling them straight away. You need to pick good avatars that you know are going to sell that are going to be popular. Like I was going to buy this one. I was sleeping on it. I didn't get it. So I did get the Penguin Pals, this one, because I really liked it. But you can go through and choose which ones you want and try and sell them and make a profit. So if you go into the activity tab, and here is basically how many sales there's been. There has been 276 sales, 243, 109, 49, 46, and 12. So basically it's cooling off. The time to strike is as soon as the Gen 4s come out, buy the ones you like, send them straight to OpenSea and then sell them for a big profit if you can get hold of the ones that are popular and people are going to want to pay a premium to have. So if you want to come and follow me on Twitter, my @handle is Tommy8Sart, and basically I'll do post a lot of information on Web3, NFTs, that is my forte. And then in the Reddit page, basically they tweeted about the collectible avatars. I'm going to show you a quick video of how like cool they're going to be.
Gen 3. Your favorite creators are back. And introducing new creators. Collect them all. Mix and match. Collectible avatars. Gen 3.
Gen 3. So what's really cool about it is if we go on to like Penguin's page, like he'll show you people of collaborating with mixing and matching your avatars. So once you've got one, you can combine it with another one and create a mix and match whatever to create your own custom style avatar. They're so cool. That's why they make me smile. And that's why I like these ones, because they're just so colorful and gaming meme style ones. They're just like, so here you go. This guy's created this one, a penguin with a crown on and this. So he's crossed it with Abby Katie, I guess, and Penguin. Like basically this is one you'll get, but you don't have to have this. You can collaborate. And that's what I really love about these Reddit avatars. So say you want to actually buy a Nyan Cat because it's sold out from OpenSea. The only place you can get it now is on the secondary market. Go into OpenSea, add it to cart, buy it. You'll probably need to pay with Ethereum. You can pay through MoonPay with your credit card if you want. So then when you do get the NFT in your wallet, then you can click on it. I have the World Cup ones. And then I will click here and go transfer. And then here, I will need to transfer it to, you go into here. And you'll need to go into, so it does not show up on your desktop for some reason. So you're going to have to go back into your phone and then go onto your vault and then settings. And up here is your address for your vault. So you'll copy and paste that. That is your public address. So don't worry about sharing it or anyone seeing it. That is just your public address that you can send your NFT collectible Reddit avatar back from OpenSea to that address, and it will come straight into your Reddit account. It's that simple. So simple. And that is why you subscribe to my channel, so I can show you and inform you on all this knowledge that I have in the wonderful world of Web3. I am definitely going to make it in life through Web3. I already have a stack of crypto that's about to explode in the next bull market. So follow me on my journey and I can share all my tips and tricks on how to maximize potential future profits in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Peace.